How to add a colored background to an Instagram story. On our channel, you had the opportunity to learn how to add a white background to an Instagram story. In the corner of this video, I'll leave a link so you can watch it if you're interested. Today, I'll show you how you can add a colored background. The process is interesting and simple, so let's jump right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Swipe right as if you're creating a story. On the left side, you'll see various icons. Click on Create. In the bottom right corner, there's a circle where you can adjust the color. By clicking on the color circle, the background color changes. However, you can choose any color you want. Long press on the circle and move your finger to find the desired color. When you find the color you want, simply lift your finger. Now, I'll add a picture over this background. Click on the sticker icon here. Among the various options, press the photo button. Select a photo from your gallery. Zoom in and position it as desired. Share the story and enjoy creating content. And here's how it looks in the end. If you liked the tutorial, give it a like. Finally, subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials.